Hello guys, so in this video let's talk about Grafana. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but let's talk about Grafana. Um, so Grafana is one way that we can use the metrics exposed by Prometheus, alright? So Grafana is a very popular tool to use for this purpose, okay? So one important thing is Grafana, you don't need to configure nothing. You don't need to configure anything about Grafana in your project because Grafana only connects to Prometheus or actually to your endpoint. So Grafana is like a client, like a user, for example, but in this case, to getting the metrics. All right. So what we'll see is something like this. You can access Grafana like this. Of course, I configured this port for Grafana, but you can access with the way you have configured. All right. So uh, inside Grafana, you can create many charts like those here, for example. So these charts here, I created by myself. Of course, not by myself. I had some help from ChatGPT to help me construct these charts, of course. But so look at this. This is very interesting. So with my API running, I can see many information here. Of course, uh, of course that the charts are really are showing not so much information right now because no one is requesting, is really calling my application. But of course, if I execute some requests here, you can see that the information is going to appear in these charts. All right. So we have some basic information here, not something so complex. So we have the total of requests in the last 24 hours or 12 hours or 1 hour or 1 minute. Uh, you can change, you can edit this information to your reality or to your necessities. Okay, so here we have the total requests per second. Okay, it's a little different from this chart, so you can see the history through the time, and the metrics is the total of requests by second, the average by second. Okay, so we have other charts here. They are very useful, but let's be a little more objective here. Let's talk about the CPU usage. We also have the CPU usage. This is very important information. Heap memory usage. This could be an important information here. We also have another heap memory usage here, and one another important information here is the usage of platform threads and virtual threads. Okay, so if you're using virtual threads in your application, it can be useful or important somehow that you know if your application is really using the virtual threads, for example, and if you're making a good use of the virtual threads, because if your application has a big amount, let's say something like that, a big amount of requests or of processing processes, it can be useful that if you see the virtual threads rising here. So that's one way to know if you're using the virtual threads or not. So okay, that's it for today. I Before ending this video, I just wanted to show that uh, I also let here uh, a JSON file with my charts, so you can copy this file and import on your Grafana. Okay, so I have to import somehow. I don't really remember how to do it, but it's easy. You can import the all these charts here. All right, and well, have the same experience that I'm having here. All right, so that's it. See you on the next video.